Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday, where the day starts off with a few showers over the central interior as well as over parts of the northwest. On our synoptic analysis, you'll see a large cold front moving in from the west, resulting in a mostly cloudy day with the possibility of rainfall over the western and southern part of South Africa, and we'll see most of the showers in the southwest in the first part of the day. With that cold front, we can also expect a strong push of cold air behind it, with a few thunder showers still in the forecast ahead of it over the central and southeastern parts, extending all the way through to the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal. Fine and dry weather continues in the northeast, with a particularly warm day over the extreme northeastern parts. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see up to a 60% chance of rainfall over parts of the Overberg and the Cape Winelands, with up to a 40% chance of rain as we head along the west coast, as well as over the southern part of South Africa. Isolated thunder showers are expected from the northwest all the way through to the east coast. Here's that warm weather for the Lowveld: 27 degrees for Bombela, just shy of 30 for Phalaborwa, 23 for Polokwane and Vryburg, and a high of around 20 degrees is forecast for Gauteng. It'll be a chilly day for Bethlehem at 15 degrees, with highs in the low and middle 20s for the KZN interior. A cooler day is expected into the Eastern Cape, Bishu at 19. Port Elizabeth matches that daytime high with a strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London, with a light to moderate northwesterly offshore flow for Durban and Richards Bay, and that's what helps those temperatures warm up into the upper 20s, with a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell along the east coast. A cooler day is expected for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, both in the upper teens, with that cold front really cooling things off throughout the Western Cape. A mere 13 for Oudtshoorn, 17 for Beaufort West and Vredendal. 15 degrees with a moderate southwesterly wind for Muizenberg and Hermanus, with a fresh west-southwesterly wind along the coast from Mossel Bay all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, and along the south coast we're expecting the swell to pick up to 3 metres from the southwest. That cold snap of air pushes in over the Northern Cape on Wednesday. 16 degrees from Colesberg all the way through to Uppington. A very cold day for Kilvinia and Sutherland at around 10 degrees, and Springbok at 12. We head into the mid-teens along the coast between Lambert's Bay and Cape Town, with a moderate southwesterly wind in the afternoon, but with a strong northwesterly wind with the arrival of that cold front in the morning. Along the west coast, we can expect a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell. On Thursday, we'll see that cooler air pushing in over the extreme eastern part of the country, with cloudy and wet weather in the forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. Still mild for Gauteng, with that sunshine returning to the forecast in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.